Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Wi-Fi router's USB port. Many modern routers include one or two USB ports, typically USB 2.0 or 3.0, offering versatile functionalities. You can connect an external hard drive or a flash drive to create network-attached storage, allowing all your devices to access shared files. Alternatively, you can plug in a USB printer to make it accessible to every computer on your network, eliminating the need for individual printer connections. To set up network storage, simply plug your USB hard drive or flash drive into an available USB port on your router. Then, log into your router's web interface, usually by typing its IP address into a browser. Navigate to the USB settings or storage sharing section. Here, you can enable file sharing, create user accounts, and set permissions. This transforms your router into a basic network-attached storage device, perfect for sharing photos or documents among 3 or 4 family members. Sharing a printer is just as straightforward. Connect your USB printer to the router's USB port. Access your router's administrative page and look for a printer server or USB application section. Enable the printer sharing feature there. On each computer you wish to print from, you'll need to add a network printer and install its drivers. This allows multiple users to print documents from their devices without needing a dedicated print server or direct cable connections. Beyond storage and printing, some routers support connecting a 3G or 4G USB modem, providing a backup internet connection if your primary service goes down. While less common, you might even use the port for charging small devices, though its main purpose is data. Remember, router capabilities vary significantly. Always check your router's manual or the manufacturer's website for specific features, supported devices, and any limitations to ensure optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.